Jeez, lady.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking another look at some of the most intense and unexpected traffic situations caught on camera across. Buckle up and let's get started.
Jeez, lady.
This red SUV just barged straight into the roundabout without checking or giving way to the traffic already inside. The driver completely broke Australian road rules by failing to yield. While exiting the roundabout, a large box truck suddenly cut off and squeezed right in front of the white sedan. Thankfully, the sedan driver managed to slow down in time to avoid a collision. That sudden left turn from the opposite lane is a classic rookie driver move. Guy definitely just got his license. This is a clear lesson on the importance of proper lane discipline. The black SUV's sudden right turn from a straight-only lane is dangerous. Always prep your turns early and never cut across other vehicles at intersections. Navigating busy intersections at dusk requires high alertness from everyone, from the white cars to the moped rider ahead. Keeping a safe distance and staying sharp as the traffic flows is key to avoiding sudden accidents.
Oh no, we're not taking that action.
Perfect driving etiquette. All drivers coordinated beautifully and maintained strict lane discipline as soon as the light went green.
Just encourage people to rethink their plans. Just wait for these conditions to
A dangerous ego battle and road rage retaliation on the highway. Both cars refused to yield, brake checking and cutting each other off with zero regard for road safety.
Oh, the bottle of wood. Go.
It's melting. Oh God.
Has he got someone in the car?
It's smelling petrol. Yeah. Exploded. So that was cops.
Distracted by filming the white van's violation, the motorcyclist lost focus and wiped out. A harsh reminder to always prioritize your own safety and keep your eyes on the road. A highly dangerous move as the white van illegally cuts across the painted Gore Island to catch the M4 exit. This reckless rush nearly caused a serious collision with the vehicle trailing right behind. A heart-stopping traffic situation on the road. The white van driving in the right lane suddenly and recklessly cut directly across the path of the car behind to change to the left lane without any signaling, causing the trailing driver to honk repeatedly. Such careless and abrupt lane changes at junctions are extremely dangerous and can easily lead to accidents.
County Police!
Henry County Police!
What the fuck, bro? You absolute fucking cockhead, mate.
That's for the dog.
Fuck me, seriously. Bro, fucking use your fucking mirrors.
A careless collision in a parking garage where a black car reverses without checking its surroundings, striking another vehicle. When maneuvering in tight spaces with limited visibility like a parking structure, backing up slowly while constantly checking all mirrors and blind spots is vital to ensure safety. A positive example of highway driving as the silver car slows down to let the gray SUV change lanes safely. Mutual respect and proper lane etiquette keep traffic flowing smoothly.
Oh, flash, flash.
A great example of smooth highway driving and safe following distances. The red Ute and the large container truck ahead maintain a steady pace within their lanes, keeping the traffic flowing perfectly under a clear sky. A A tense near-miss in rainy weather as a black sedan aggressively cuts off and squeezes past a white sub to force its way forward. Impatient and reckless driving in poor conditions like this creates a major risk for everyone on the road.